In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram voice messages on Android. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do this, we're going to use an Instagram mod app called Insta Extreme. With this app, you can download everything from Instagram, including voice messages that you have sent or received on Instagram Direct. This app isn't available on Play Store, so you will have to download and install it manually. Use the link in description to download it. Once you have installed it, you can see download options in every post on the timeline when you tap the three-dot icon. To download or save a voice message from Direct, you go to a chat that has some voice messages. Next, you long tap on it and you will see the Save option there. Use it to download the voice note on your phone's storage. You can find the downloaded voice messages in the Insta Extreme folder that it creates in your phone storage. The downloaded voice messages are saved in folders with usernames as their names. That is it, guys. This is how you can easily download Instagram voice messages on Android. There are some more features in the app, such as ad blocking, and you better check them out on your own. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe us for more.